Some children with intellectual disabilities and autism have very, very severe behaviour problems, and at the moment we use a range of medications which are not that effective and can have side effects. And so parents have been asking us, is there something that's potentially kinder and gentler? And they're hearing on the internet that medical cannabis is being used a little bit and may have some benefits. But there's no research yet into this, so we're going to do some research to see if medical cannabis might be helpful for these behaviours in these kids. So the kids we're talking about have intellectual disabilities and very severe behaviour problems. So they're injuring themselves, they're injuring other people, family members. It's really quite unsafe, they're damaging property. And these behaviours can make life really incredibly difficult for the families and for the kids whose quality of life can be really terrible sometimes. Well, really in response to the parents. Parents of some kids with very, very severe behaviour problems have been asking us, could medical cannabis help? They're hearing about it on the internet, they're hearing anecdotal reports from other parents in other places saying that it's helped their child, and they want to know if they can get it or if there's been any research. And so we thought we should do a study, a proper study, to see if this can be helpful for these kids and whether it might have less side effects than some of the medications we're currently using. There haven't been many new medications for a long time. There's been a lot of medications that are similar to previous ones but still have a lot of side effects. So we really need to look at different approaches here, using novel therapies, and medical cannabis is one of those. Well, medical cannabis is being used for a range of things in adults, things like multiple sclerosis and so on, and in kids it's being used in some types of epilepsy. For kids with intellectual disabilities, there's lots of anecdotal evidence, particularly on the internet, that it might be really helpful, but there's no good research yet, so that's what we're going to do. We're currently doing a pilot study, which is a small study to test the procedures in kids with intellectual disabilities and very severe behaviours. And we've shown in our pilot, which is nearly finished, that the study design works really well. So now we're hoping to do a large study to really test whether this treatment can be effective.